Hey Code and Wire Explorers, welcome to the CodeNwireX. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up Arduino IDE for your ESP8266 NodeMCU development board and can use Arduino C++ language to program your NodeMCU development board. So without further wasting time, let's get started. To get started, you need to have Arduino IDE. If you don't have, you can go to this website, Arduino official website, and can download and install. For my case, I have already downloaded it. So go and open Arduino IDE, and from here go to tools and then boards and then board manager. You can use shortcut as I mentioned, Control Shift plus B. So here you need to install ESP8266 development board package, but as you can see we are not able to find it. For this we need to add this into our board manager. For that, go to the file and then preferences, and at the bottom you can see additional board managers URLs. Paste this URL for ESP8266 board. I will paste this link as well in the description and hit OK. And now if I go and search, and now it is showing ESP8266. Click on install and it will take some time. Now as you can see, this package is successfully installed, and now we can go and connect our NodeMCU board to our device. So there should be new COM device appearing here. Let me connect my device. So this COM15 appeared just now, and now we have to select our proper board. So go here, and for COM15, for my case, I have connected my Node MCU board in this port, and we have to select Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. For my case, this is ESP12E. If you are using some older version, then you can choose this as well. So, and one more thing, if your device is not showing here, so make sure you have proper driver installed for your ESP to TTL module. For my case, if I zoom a little bit, it is CH340G USB to TTL module. For my case, I have installed it. If you don't have it, you can search for CH340 driver and can install. Or if you have a different USB to TTL module, let's say CP2102 or PL2103, then you can go and download USB to TTL driver. And when everything is installed and device is properly detected, and now we have selected, now it's time to check whether our device is working or not. For this, we're going to write hello world of the microcontrollers, that is blink. For this, you can go to the file and then examples, and from the ESP8266 to blink. Now if I show my board as well, now click on this upload button, is compiling. So as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our first code, that is Blink, and it is successfully working. If we want, we can modify this code little bit so that it will blink little bit faster. Let's say put it 500 millisecond and make little bit different, 700 millisecond, and now compile and sketch and wait for it to successfully compile and upload. So as mentioned here, the built-in LED pin is connected to GPIO 1. So it's uploading now, and that is also connected to pin TX. So now, so our code is successfully uploaded, and we can see this now LED is blinking more frequently as we have reduced the delay here. So that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and please share and like if this video has really helped you. Thanks for watching.